Welcome to the new OrderWise version 20.1 release video. Today we're going to take a look at 4 of the new features included in the January release of OrderWise. This month we're releasing the Advanced Credit Control feature. Advanced Credit Control gives you an automated process flow that prevents wasting time and money on manual admin jobs and gives you clear visibility of where your money's hiding in the new pipeline view. You can assign different customers to different chase cycles that you've defined, meaning that you can chase outstanding debt with a softer touch for VIP customers or in a much more direct manner for customers that repeatedly go beyond their credit terms. You can set when a chase cycle will send one of 6 credit control letters or an automated email, and it works seamlessly with our CRM module to create activities if manual intervention, such as a phone call, is required. You can even start this cycle before the end of their credit terms to remind them to pay on time and keep your cash flow looking healthy. Whether you've got one person in your finance department or a whole team, our Advanced Credit Control feature fits your business, saves you time and resource, and allows you to implement a real proactive credit control. This is a licensed feature, so if you'll need to speak to one of our customer success managers if you're interested in using it. We have a blog post coming soon specifically about Advanced Credit Control, so keep your eyes open for more information. You can now change the revision of a works order from within the Works in Progress grid. If you've got several to change, you can also do this by selecting multiple lines from the grid and change them all at once. So if your customer changes their order slightly or a mistake's been made, it's now really easy and really quick to change this. A new field on the Stock Information tab against the variant allows you to add a contingency percentage against any calculated minimum or maximum stock values. This is useful if your variant usage fluctuates on a regular basis, meaning that your stock forecasts are sometimes a little too tight for your liking. When you add a contingency percentage, OrderWise will add this to the calculated minimum and the calculated maximum to give you a bit of a buffer without having to manually manipulate the figures in the to purchase report for every variant that this might apply to. So you've dispatched a batch traced item to a customer, but a week later they return it to your warehouse. If you're using our returns module, this linked return will now automatically pull through the original batch number of the item to maintain full traceability of your stock. That's it for this month's video. If you'd like to see all of the new features included in this release, head over to our website to read the full release notes or take a look at our blog where we've listed a few more new pieces of development. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to see the February release video. Thanks very much for watching.